Very often, crisis or even danger can also equal opportunity. At least that's how the famous Chinese saying goes. And over the past few months, because of the unwise decisions of a few crypto lending players when it came to things like providing uncollateralized loans and maintaining very high risk exposure, CeFi, meaning centralized finance, has really taken a beating. To the extent that even the honest platforms that have integrity and promote transparency in how they operate, even they have felt the brunt of these actions. But now the opportunity from the crisis for CeFi lenders is to show honest lenders can make money for themselves and for their customers. And so the smart ones are actively building new products on the basis of sustainable business practices. The smart ones are offering industry-leading security solutions to their users and transparency. Nexo is one of those smart ones. They have this amazing new trading service called Nexo PRO. I'll be teaching you all about it in today's video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are a crypto investment research company. Of course, we wish you all the very best of luck if you choose to invest, but don't view this video to be official financial or investment advice because it's not. All right, let's get right into it. Many of you, of course, have heard about Nexo before. We've covered them both in videos on the YouTube channel as well as in article form in write-ups on our website, altcoinbuzz.io. And recently, aside from surviving this bear market, Nexo has bought back $100 million of its Nexo tokens and committed another $50 million just last month. They've made a buyout offer for Vald assets. They've issued the first crypto-backed credit card. And last but certainly not least, they introduced the Pro service, which is bringing the retail trader tools that were previously only available to large institutions, at least until now. All right, but what's the point? The crypto market is still young and fragmented, and we all work from incomplete information. So things like arbitrage, slippage, and lack of best execution, these have been the norm in trading. But with Nexo Pro, the status quo is being disrupted because now everyone with no minimum funding requirements can trade like a pro. Let's now take a look at this advanced trading platform. Plus, I have 2 great pro tips for you later, especially if you consider yourself to be a long-term hodler. All right, so what exactly is Nexo Pro? Many customers already do trust Nexo with their money because they have 5 million users who have done over $100 billion in transactions. So why not keep the customers you have and get more by offering more and better services? And that's the idea behind Nexo Pro because it offers spot trading, futures trading, and trading on margin, as well as advanced orders like SLTP and TWAP. And that's all by using funds which are already in your Nexo account. There's currently a 50% discount on all trading fees on the platform, and you get cost-efficient execution with near zero slippage. And if you like what you've heard already, then you can check out this link, which is showing up right now on screen. It's also available in the description of this video. You can use this to set up a new account and start trading today on Nexo Pro. And look, all of this great price execution is made possible because Nexo Pro is a liquidity aggregator. So that means it collects the order books, about 3,000 of them, from over 10 other leading exchanges and then provides a single platform to access them all in just one interface or via API. So this makes it different from other exchanges you may know, like maybe Binance or Coinbase, and guarantees you the best possible prices and execution. The dashboard represents your hub at Nexo Pro. So from there, you have lots of withdrawal and deposit options. And also you have your margin screen, open orders, open positions, P&L, and total activity all there, all in one place to help you manage profits and taxes on your gains. So consider that dashboard to be your center of activity on Nexo Pro. It's a very useful tool, very intuitive, very easy to use. Now, really one of Nexo Pro's best features is that it's absolutely free for everyone to use because it's all part of your Nexo account already. In fact, after you log in, all you have to do is click Exchange Nexo Pro. And from there, all the opportunities that we mentioned from spot trading to futures are available to you. Just go into the spot market and buy any one of the cryptocurrencies that are available. Then you can hold it, use it as collateral for your loan, or do whatever you may want to do with it. While you're not actively trading, you can keep your assets in your Nexo wallet and earn passive income simultaneously. Just check out how easy it is. After you click on Nexo Pro, when you go into Pro, you start at the spot trading screen. And this is where I want to specifically point out some of the features. Check out, first of all the trading pairs when you click on BTC USD and the drawdown menu as it comes up. Observe as well how you can view the entire order book on the trading pair of your choice. And lastly, check out how TradingView, with its many symbols and methods of manipulating the charts to your preference, that's also available here. And by the way, that's free for everyone to use once they decide to try Pro. You don't have to be a pro to use it, but you get those pro tools. And as promised, I'm going to share the first of those 2 pro tips. Pro tip number 1. No pun intended, by the way. If you have a project you really love and intend to hold for, let's say, years, so projects like maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, or something else, then why wouldn't you deposit some stablecoins here at Nexo and use Pro to buy more of your favorite pet project? Because you then get to use that very long-term holding for collateral for a loan if you have, for example, a short-term cash need, or you want to be aggressive in this market and buy your BTC, use it as collateral, and then take your loan to buy more BTC. Yes, it's a pretty aggressive strategy that we don't necessarily recommend for most, but let's say you love that one project above all others, you can continue to hodl it and still get some liquid cash to buy more or maybe use it in some other way. Now, you do risk a margin call if your BTC drops in value, but otherwise you're hodling it long-term anyway. So this is a little bit more of an advanced technique, and there is some risk that you incur. It's going to come down to your own risk appetite. Let's talk about the futures market here on Nexo Pro, and it's actually much easier than you may expect it to be because all the futures trading pairs are perpetual. So this means that there is not some expiration date in 1 month or 2 months or 3 months into the future, which makes managing your positions much easier. And by the way, for futures and margin trading, there's a little quiz that you have to pass, which proves that you understand the risks that you are taking. And here on the futures screen, you see that the most popular futures contract is BTC USDT. You also see all the perpetual trading pairs, the funding rate, which is very important that they show you this, and the futures order book for your pair of choice. So there's a lot of great information here already. And you notice the setup and user experience is the same for spot as well as futures. So trading pairs are all in the same place. Order books are also in the same place. It just makes it that much easier to use. Pro tip number 2, you can use the futures market to hedge your current position. Now, this is also an advanced technique, not recommended for beginners, but let's say, for example, you want a long ETH for the long term. Yet you think that in the short term, due to the merge, for example, or for some other reason, that the price will go down. Okay, well, with futures, you can match your long ETH with a short futures contract for, let's say, ETH USDT and cover your position without selling. If you do, you make money on the decline of ETH without selling your original position. That's called the carry trade, and it's a great hedge when you're comfortable with your long-term holds, but there are some short-term questions. As you can probably tell, all of us at Altcoin Buzz really love this revolutionary move that Nexo is making in these, let's face it, very difficult market conditions. Nexo is introducing everyone to aggregated liquidity and advanced trading through a valuable product in the form of Nexo Pro. Once again, you can give it a try today. You can start trading from your new Nexo account just by clicking on this link and registering your new account. You're going to find that link in the description of this video. Do not miss it. So guys, check out Nexo Pro today. More information can be found in the description of this video. Once again, we wish you all the very best of luck if you choose to invest, but never official financial or investment advice. If you're still watching, be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. Check out these other couple of related videos here popping up to my left, to my right. Stay safe out there, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.